In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Google Meet link to a Basecamp calendar event. This process is straightforward and will help streamline your schedule management by integrating Google Meet directly into your Basecamp events. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing Google Meet in your search engine or by visiting the Google Meet website directly. Once there, you'll see an option that says New Meeting. Click on this button. After clicking New Meeting, you'll be presented with several options. Choose Create a Meeting for later. This option allows you to generate a link that can be used at any future time, making it perfect for scheduling meetings in advance. Once you've selected Create a Meeting for later, a unique link will be generated for your meeting. You'll want to click on this link and copy it. This link is what you'll be adding to your Basecamp calendar event. With the Google Meet link copied, it's time to switch over to Basecamp. Open a new tab in your browser and go to basecamp.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Basecamp dashboard, look for the project to which you want to add the calendar event. Click on the project to open it. Inside your project, navigate to the Calendar section. This is where all your project's scheduled events are displayed. To add a new event, find and click the New Event button. This will open a form where you can create a new calendar entry. Now, fill in the details for your new event. Start by typing the name of the event in the designated field. Be sure to choose a name that clearly describes the meeting or event for easy reference later. Then, select the date and time for the event. This step is crucial to ensure that all participants are aware of when the meeting is scheduled. Next, look for the option to add a link. Click on this option, and a field will appear where you can paste the Google Meet link you copied earlier. Carefully paste the link into this field, ensuring that it's entered correctly so participants can join the meeting without any issues. Finally, with all your details filled out and your Google Meet link pasted, click Post this event. This action will save the event to your Basecamp calendar, complete with the Google Meet link included. Now, whenever someone views the event in the Basecamp calendar, they'll see the link and be able to join the meeting at the scheduled time. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Google Meet link to a Basecamp calendar event. This integration helps keep your team organized and ensures seamless access to virtual meetings directly through Basecamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.